let's proceed to number 3. So y is equals to x multiplied by square root of x minus 1. So we'll get its first derivative first. So we have y. So we have y is equals to x. So we'll just transform it into exponent form. So we'll have its first derivative. So x multiplied by 1 half. So just copy x minus 1. So 1 half minus 1 is just equals to negative 1 half. So derivative inside is 1. So plus copy the second term. So derivative of x is just equals to 1. So we'll simplify. So y prime is equals to this term is having negative. So we'll put down it to the denominator. So x all over 2 multiplied by x minus 1 raised to the power of 1 half plus x minus 1 raised to the power of 1 half. So after this one, we will combine these two. So y prime is equals to 2 multiplied by x minus 1 raised to the power of 1 half. So we have x plus, so 2 multiplied by x minus 1. So the 1 half exponent will be cancelled. So the remaining will be y prime is equals to x plus 2x minus 2 all over. So just copy. So for the remaining will be 3x minus 2 all over 2 multiplied by x minus 1 raised to the power of 1 half. But our points are 5 and 10. So 5 and 10. So 5 and 10. So this is our x. This is our y. So substitute. So 3 multiplied by 5 minus 2 all over 2 multiplied by 5 minus 1 raised to the power of 1 half. So we have y prime is equals to 15 minus 2 is just equals to 13 all over. So 2. So 5 minus 1 is just equals to 4. So square root of 4 is just equals to 2. So 2 times 2 is just equals to 4. So our value of m is equals to y prime is equals to m is equals to 13 all over 4. So we'll find its tangent. So for tangent, we'll use this equation. Y minus y sub 1 is equals to m multiplied by x minus x sub 1. So the points are 5 and 10. So 5 and 10. And our m is equals to 13 all over 4. So we have y minus, so this is x sub 1, this is y sub 1. So y minus 5 is equals, y minus 10 rather. So 13 all over 4 multiplied by x minus 5. So we have 4 multiplied by y minus 10 is equals to 13x. So 13 times 5 is just equals to 65 minus 65. So we have 4y minus 40 is equals to 13x minus 65. So just have 13x minus 65 minus 4y plus 40 is equals to 0. So for further simplification, so 13x minus 4y negative 65 plus 40 is just equals to negative 25. So this is now our value of tangent. So let's check our answer is correct. 13x minus 4y minus 25 equals to 0. So 13x minus 4y minus 25 equals to 0. So our answer here is correct. So for normal, we have normal. So y minus y sub 1 is equals to negative 1 all over m multiplied by x minus x sub 1. So at points 5 and 10, and m is equals to 13 all over 4. So we have 13 over 4. So y minus, so x sub 1, y sub 1. So y minus 10 is equals to negative 1 all over 13 all over 4 multiplied by x minus 5. So after this one, we will have y minus 10 is equals to negative 4 all over 13 multiplied by x minus 5. So after this one, we will have 13 multiplied by y minus 10 is equals y minus 10 is equals to negative 4 multiplied by x minus 5. So simplify. So 13y minus 130 is equals to negative 4x plus 20. So we'll have 4x minus 4x. So 4x plus 13y minus 130 minus 20 equals to 0. So we have to simplify. So 4x plus 13y. So negative 130 minus 20 is equals to negative 150. So this is now our normal equation. So let's check if our answer is correct. 4x plus 13y minus 150 equals to 0. So 4x plus 13y minus 150 is equals to 0. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 5.